Hello, my name is Divyansh and I'm being diagnosed here at TenderPalmHospital with deficiency in hemoglobin. Actually, the case was that my hemoglobin was 5 when I reached here. The symptom was I was feeling very tired, loss in appetite, and I was feeling like vomiting all the time, morning, evening, and every time in the day. So I got to one of my local doctors, and he recommended me to do CBC for a blood test. So I got that done, and that blood report shows that my hemoglobin is 5. So my father works at airport authority. So from there we got to know about this TenderPalmHospital, and immediately I got admitted here in the emergency wing, and I got diagnosed with very well, and the doctors were very quick. They tested me with everything and tested me everything. I got diagnosed with 2 units of blood, and then I met with Dr. Vineet Shukla, who diagnosed me, and my overall experience was very good. The staff was well maintained, and they take care of me very nicely.